first grade scientists. Welcome back to your science job for today. Today, all you will need in front of you is a blank piece of paper, a pencil, an eraser, and something to color with. It can be markers or crayons or colored pencils. But what we are going to do today is we are going to create a trifold about one season. It can be any season that you choose. So, be thinking of the season that you would like to choose today. You are going to take your blank piece of paper and you're going to fold one side in and then fold the other side over top of that side so that we have 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. 3 up and down columns like this. What you're going to do now is you're going to write that season that you picked at the very top in the middle. Then we're going to label each column as plants. We'll label a column as animals and label a column as people. And what you're going to do, boys and girls, is tell me what happens to these things in your season. For example, I chose spring. What happens to the plants in the spring? I wrote a description and drew a picture. What happens to the animals in the spring? I wrote a description and drew a picture. What happens to people in the spring? What do we need to wear? What are we doing? Can we go outside? I wrote a description and drew a picture. So, boys and girls, your job is to tell me, what do the plants do in your season? What do the animals do in your season? And what do the people do in your season that you have chosen? You can choose winter, spring, summer, or fall. Boys and girls, if you need help with some ideas, you can look back on this week's journey story because it is all about the 4 seasons. All right, have fun, scientists!